And we are shifting our focus now to this big breaking updates that coming in from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Akhilesh Yadav has said that he's not going to be contesting the upcoming UP polls. He's also said that his entire alliance with the RLD has been finalized, and he's saying very soon we will have the seat sharing formula. Now, what really does this mean? Now, we are standing by to get you more reactions on that particular story. But do remember again, Akhilesh Yadav is an SP MP from Azamgarh, and he's also been the chief minister face of his party. But today he says he's not going to be contesting the assembly polls. It's a big statement that has been made by Akhilesh Yadav. We are standing by to get you more reactions on that story. Akhilesh also saying that he has finalized a seat sharing deal right now with the RLD, and very soon he says that we will be putting out the formula in public domain. Uttar Pradesh going to elections in the next few months. Akhilesh Yadav has been conducting what he calls the Vijay Yatras, but a big statement now coming in from Akhilesh Yadav, who says that he is not going to be contesting the assembly polls. On the alliance with the RLD, he says our alliance with the RLD is final. Seat sharing is to be finalized. On multiple occasions, remember, he's spoken to us at Republic, and he has actually said that he's going to be willing to take this fight to the BJP. Madhurima tracking that story, and she has more updates for us. Madhurima, help us understand this. What is the importance today of this huge statement that has come in from Akhilesh Yadav, who says he's not going to be contesting the upcoming UP polls?
Well, Deepti, absolutely, it's a very big news because we've seen that the chief ministerial, aspirations of Akhilesh Yadav have always been very high, and he, whenever it's about Uttar Pradesh or any incident being reported from there, we see Akhilesh Yadav standing there at the helm of the affairs against the ruling dispensation. But now, just a couple of months ahead of this crucial and high-stake Uttar Pradesh elections, where we know that the Samajwadi Party is a regional party and has the sole relevance in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and him coming forward, Deepti, and saying that he would not be contesting elections because he has always been dubbed as the chief ministerial face of the Samajwadi Party, and we've seen in the past that how there were so many differences with him and his uncle just for the sake of the thing that who will be the face of the party in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And now, when this particular elections, these high-stake elections are coming, we've seen Akhilesh Yadav coming forward and saying that he is ready to form an alliance with any and everybody party which is ready to stand against the BJP, DP. But now, when we see Mr. Akhilesh Yadav stepping back, it is a bit of a shock.
Akhilesh Yadav stepping back, it is a bit of a shock because he has been one of the main faces who have been contesting, to be the chief minister of the state. He has been the chief minister of this state. He has been the chief minister of the state, Deepti, and the way that he has backed out is quite shocking because we've seen always Akhilesh Yadav at the helm of any and every affair that happens, any incident that is reported in the state of Uttar Pradesh. He'll always be leading those campaign against the BJP, but now it's a shocker that he has stepped back. Deepti, we'll have to wait and watch as to what is he really conspiring and what are his future plans for the Samajwadi Party. Deepti.